here too is kind of cool. But we got to get out of here before it gets too dark. Hurry before it gets dark. Hurry, it's getting dark. I think we're lost. Quit laughing, goddammit, we're lost. Oh. What's that noise? Serious? Uh-oh. I can't see shit. Hang on. Damn, man, did you pee on him or something? Fucking, I'm out of here. Ah!